regulation of gene expression. How the genes express. Last time we have to see that the gene express through the formation of the polypeptide chain, protein synthesis, transcription. First step is a transcription and second is a translation. Now see the expression, regulation of gene expression. Here gene expression leads to polypeptide synthesis. In protein synthesis, this polypeptide is nothing but the protein. So it leads to the protein synthesis. In eukaryotes, the regulation of gene expressions occurs at these levels, these 4 levels. Here first level is a transcriptional levels. A primary transcript is produced here. Processing level, splicing processes involved here. Transport of messenger RNA which are produced inside the nucleus with the transcription process from nucleus, and then it enter inside the cytoplasm for the translation process. And next is the translation level. So these 4 levels are there: transcriptional level, formation of primary transcript; processing level, this process involved here like the splicing; and transport, here transfer of messenger RNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, and this is the transcriptional level. So 4 levels are there. Gene expressed to perform different functions. A single gene expressed to operate or to perform various functions inside the cell. Here example is given: beta galactosidase enzyme. It is produced by the E. coli bacteria, synthesized by the E. coli bacteria for the which involved in the metabolism of the lactose. See here what the function of beta galactosidase enzyme, which is produced by the Escherichia coli bacteria, E. coli bacteria. Lactose is a milk sugar. This is the disaccharide. Beta galactosidase hydrolyze, perform the hydrolysis of lactose disaccharide molecule into two monosaccharide molecules like the galactose and the glucose. So the function of beta galactoside is to hydrolyze the lactose into the galactose and the glucose. So lactose absent in surrounding. If we have to introduce the E. coli in the surrounding, and in the surrounding there is no lactose, so in such condition there is no need of beta galactosidase enzyme, so there is no secretion of beta galactosidase enzyme. Next one, development and differentiation of embryo into adult organism. This is another example of gene expression. This is again regulated by set of genes. Many genes regulated and regulate this process, that the development and differentiation of embryo into the adult organism. See, adaptive enzymes. Adaptive enzymes, also called as inducible enzymes, those enzymes which depends on the presence or absence of the substrate. If here substrate lactose is present, such enzyme is secreted here. If lactose is absent, enzyme does not secrete. So such enzymes which secretion depends on its synthesis depends on the presence or absence of the substrate. These enzymes are adaptive enzymes and called as inducible enzymes. Now see, a set of genes will be switched on when there is a necessity to metabolize a new substrate. One of the substrate is there, and for the metabolism of that substrate, the set of genes switched on and they secrete their secretion, and that secretion involves the metabolism of that particular substrate. So that this process is called as an induction. The switch on of set of genes to metabolize the particular substrate, that process is called as an induction process. And the small molecule which is responsible for this process is called as an inducer. This is nothing but an inducer. So inducer molecule responsible for the induction process. And this is a positive control mechanism. Now see, operon concept. Operon is nothing but the segment of DNA, long segment of DNA, which have one operator site, operator gene, promoter gene, inhibitory gene, and structural gene, functional gene. So see here, Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod in 1961 explained that metabolic pathways are regulated as a unit. Metabolic pathways are regulated as a unit. Mean the similar genes have the group, they group together and form a long segment involving the same metabolism. that we have to call as operon. That we have to call as operon. Example is given here. In Escherichia coli bacteria, E. coli bacteria, lactose provided to culture medium. If we provide the lactose into culture medium, same produce 3 types of enzymes. When we introduce the lactose into the medium where E. coli bacteria are present, so if lactose we have to provide there, then that bacteria secretes 3 types of enzymes. One is the beta-galactosidase, another beta-galactoside, permease, another trans-acetylase. These 3 enzymes secreted by the E. coli bacteria. See what the function of these 3 enzymes, how they involve the metabolism of the lactose. So see, first beta-galactosidase enzyme digests lactose into the galactose and glucose. At hydrolysis, perform the hydrolysis, this lactose, beta-galactosidase hydrolyze the lactose into the galactose and the glucose. This is the function of beta-galactosidase enzyme. Another enzyme, beta-galactoside permease. In the surrounding lactose molecule is there, so that enzyme permeates the lactose from surrounding to inside the cell. So it permeates the lactose molecule to enter into the E. coli cell, bacterial cell. Next one is the trans-acetylase, also called as the beta-galactoside acetyltransferase enzyme. So this transfer an acetyl group from acetyl coenzyme to the galactoside during the metabolism process. So this is the function of these 3 enzymes secreted during the metabolism of the lactose. Operon is a long segment of DNA, controls synthesis of 3 enzymes. So this operon controls the synthesis of these 3 enzymes, and it consists of operon, operator unit, operator site, and 3 structural genes, zyme, biogen and A gene. These are the structural genes secretes enzyme. So here one repressor protein is there, repressor protein. Repressor protein secreted by the inhibitory gene, and that repressor protein is responsible for regulation of gene action. Actually repressor protein responsible for switch off of the gene operon. Regulator gene, the regulator gene secretes its action results in the formation of the repressor protein. See, gene expression totally depends on either operator is switched on or switched on. Operator is switched on or switched off. If operator switched on, 3 genes transcripts into single messenger RNA. Operator if switched on, then these 3 genes transcript single messenger RNA, single messenger RNA having different structural genes. Hence it is a polycistronic, and then they convert after a translation process, they produce particular type of enzyme, polypeptide, which convert to enzyme. Repressor if attached to operator site. This repressor if attached to the operator site will block. When operator site will block, switch is turned off, and then there is no any expression of the gene. Gene do not express, even they do not secrete any type of the enzymes, and this is the gene regulation of gene expression.